Is this a game? If it is, I think we're losing. I can't look away, I won't see what they're losing. Am I human or am I too afraid? Is this human to know when being pain? When hearts are broken open, the color in our pain is brought to life. The world is something more than black and white and broken. When hearts are broken open, the color in our pain is brought to life. The world is something